guys, I got an exciting new product to try out today. It's a original AirBEDZ mattress, and it complements this cool truck tent perfectly. This mattress comes in different sizes. It's custom made to fit in the back of your pickup truck. In my case, I got a 6.5 foot box. Let me show you what it's all about. So you just simply unpack the mattress, which takes seconds. This comes with a rechargeable battery that's rechargeable by either a wall outlet or your truck. Simply pop it in here, close up the hatch, turn it on, inflate. Done. Now I got a queen size mattress in just a little over a minute or so to inflate. Now you may ask, how about those wheel wells? Well, actually, there's an opening on that side and that side that fits just perfectly over those wheel wells. Just to show the inserts on the side, this is where your wheel well goes on both sides. Like a glove. There you go. Up she goes. Up she goes. Now you might say to yourself, why would you spend money on a mattress that only fits in my truck? Well, the good thing is, there's another cool feature about these mattresses. You can get the inserts that use these Velcro tabs right here. And they fit right up in place. That way you can use your mattress in your house or camper, you name it. Well guys, this tent was comfortable enough before this mattress. I can't imagine how good it's going to be now. When you want to pack your mattress away, just simply turn on the deflate switch. It's really good quality gear. It's adaptable to different places for different uses, and you'll see me using this in my future videos. So to get your truck mattress custom fit for your truck today, visit www.truckairbeds.com or find a local retailer next to you. Until next time guys, take care of each other, get outside, and enjoy everything outdoors, and even more comfortable on an AirBEDZ mattress. See you next time. Quote the coupon code CP2020 and save on your AirBEDZ mattress purchase.